warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, class? Hope all of you fine. Today we start chapter 8, editing cell contents in Excel 2013. Before this we learn about this, how to enter the data, and we learn many things in previous chapter. Here I again enter a table, and you know how we enter the table. I enter this serial number. First I enter only these two numbers, and after this I select these two numbers like this one. I put this in the center, and after this you can see in the corner this plus sign appear, and drag this plus sign, so this will be appear. Okay, I drag this plus sign and drag it, so this all will be appear. For example, I drag up to this number, so you can see this new number is appear. Okay, and like if I drag back, this will be disappear. And here I enter the names. Now you can see some names are bigger and they are come out of the cell. So what you do, you increase the size of the cell. Just drag the cell and the size of the cell will be increased. After this, in this chapter we learn about how we edit the cell. For example, I want to edit the name of this, suppose this one. So I click here and I don't want this name, so just I write here, like I write, you can see the name will be changed. Okay, now another thing, if you want only partial change, not completely change, then what you do, you double click on that cell. You can see this cursor is appear here. Okay, and suppose here you want any other name, like okay, so this will be appear here. And another method is to change the cell. For example, I select this one, you can see this name is appear in formula bar, so this is very easy for you. If you want to change the spelling, suppose here I write ANWAR, but after this if you want to change like ER, this will be changed. And all this you can increase or decrease this one. Okay, and last time we learned about how we apply border. So what we do, I select this cell and go here in font groups in home tab, and here you can see all borders. So you click here, this all borders are appear here. Now if you want to undo anything or redo, you can see here at quick access toolbar there are two options. This time you can see this is undo and this is redo. This time redo is dull, and you can see when I click here it's appear can't redo, because I don't undo anything. But for example, I click here undo, because last time we apply border, so this you can see this finish. Now you can see this appear, now this color blue appear, and now if you click this appear again here. Second, you learn about this, you can use control and Z key. This you can see this become undo, and if you can click on control and Y key, you can see this appear. So control plus Z key is used for undo. These are shortcut keys, and control plus Y is used for redo. And if you forget, you use these two options which is on quick access toolbar. This is for undo and this is for redo. Now if you want to delete any contents, for example, I want to delete this, just select this cell and click on delete on the keyboard. You can see an option, and one key is about delete, so you click on delete, this is deleted. Okay, now I click on control Z, this will appear again. Second is if you want to delete this, and so you right click, and here you can see delete or clear contents. This time delete is used for all the cells or row or column, but I want to clear content, so click on this, these contents are clear. Now next thing we learn about this, how to copy or move the data. For example, we have data this here. Now what we do, we select this and simply I use shortcut keys Control plus C. You can see this blinking border is appear. Okay, so this means this data is copy here, and I click here. I want this copy here, so I just click here and Control plus V. So this mean paste. Okay, so this will be pasted here, but I don't increase the size of the cell. So after this you can increase the size of the cell. Okay, and click here anywhere, then this you can see this moving border will finish and this appear like this. Okay, second method, again you select this one, and here you go, here in home tab you can see here, now you can see here copy option. Click on copy. Okay, you can see this blinking border appear here. And now for example, if you want to paste here, select this cell, and for this you can see here is paste option. When you click this paste option, there are different options appear. For example, as formula, and like keep source, like paste, other like paste as formula, like this one. So I click this time this one. Okay, so this will be appear here, and again drag this size will be increased, and you click anywhere, this will be stop moving. Okay, now this option, you can see this option here, because I select paste option, by which this border is not appear. Okay, before this I select as it is, so this border is also appear. I select just as only number, so this appear like this one. And suppose this, if you want to, like I decrease this. Okay, suppose if you want to select this, and again Control plus C, this for copy, and again you forget, no problem, then you click, right click, you can see paste options. This all options are appear here. Okay, you click any of the option which you want, these values like formula. This is very important. If formulas, for example, if you want to select this and place in any other place, in any other sheet, then this formula, if you apply any formula, then formula appear as it is. But here we don't apply any formula, we just enter the numbers and names, so we don't need this one, we just need paste. So I click on paste, so this will be pasted here. Okay, in this way you can see this again border is also appear. And if you want to increase or decrease the size, like this one, select here, and this size will be increased. Okay, so these are different methods to copy and paste. But what are methods? One from the keyboard, Control plus C for copy and Control plus V for paste. Second is from the home tab. Here you can see copy. When you click on this copy option appear, and you select by using copy. And after this time this paste option is dull, but when you copy this appear, and you click this paste option appear. Next is by mouse, you click on right side and paste option is appear, but this time like this one, you can see paste option is appear. Here you can see copy options, paste option, cut option, these are all options appear in the mouse click, and you can use any option, which option you need it. Our last point of this topic is about moving a cell or moving contents. For example, this is all copy, same copies are appear, but I don't want this here, so I select this, and again there are two options from the keyboard. I use Control and X, this means this is cut. Okay, and after this, if I want to place here, Control plus V, this appear, this remove from here, it means this move from this cells to this side. Okay, this is move option. Or second one, if you like this is selected already, I right click and cut option, this again appear like this one, and place here Control plus V, this appear this side. Okay, so in this way, this is for using for cut the data or move the data. For moving data, we use Control plus X key from the keyboard and Control plus V for the paste, and by mouse click we use this cut option, and after this paste option. Okay, I hope you understand this topic. Okay, after this you will practice in your computers.